Kira turagira kuria betikaini cio cia Afcon cia under 20 ni experience ya guthaka level yo nene tondu kirora draw yako yake ino yake riri twegirwo group imwe na Morocco tugikirwo Tunisia na tukiheo Nigeria 7 time champions a betika icio no kirora timu icio ciothe ri ni ithu turafungaga mbere especially ngiari horo wa Kenya mufira wa maguru njugaga ithuĩ njugaga timu ya Kenyan first before anything else na warona nithu turafungaga mbere no riu tukaremwo ni gu protect our lead gwiciria hau noho ma coaches matarakoretwo marutĩire wira ni turaremwo gu protect our lead after taking lead especially game ciothe ithatu Morocco igithira 3-2 nithu twatongoretie gufunga Tunisia igithira 3-1 nithu twatongoretie Nigeria in both tumire 2-2 na bao ciothe cieri nithu twambete gufunga so I think korwo ni twari na kindu gitagwo kana ni twari no hoti ucio wa gu protect lead ni tungira umite almost at most mathafu kurigana uria ndekire ni tungia umite na point 7 no kirora timu ya Nigeria I think they qualified na point 5 then Morocco qualified na point 7 so ko ni twatire protect lead ni tungia qualified na those even ni twari no hoti wa kugia 9 points oko ni twahota gufunga tuga sit back ni tungia qualified na 9 points
no gore kugindu gitagwo stage fright Irikana yo litarito ya mbere kuthaka Afcon na category ya under 20 no kona onako turumire no at least we have something to salvage to maintain team yo na tuma training standard ya team ta Morocco Tunisia and Nigeria at least not oneka kidu hau mbere no gore ogera game ya mwisho ya Kenya na Nigeria muthaki to captain Wangaya arobire man of the match no kora kwenda some positives going forward tado ukoro man of the match across all your talent yote tikidu raithi uguo gona ena positive take home na tugenyitira timu yo no ithia handu
no ithu turari na athaki anini muno aria meja no ni urakoraga timu ta Morocco itwarite athaki 23 no 20 meja wa bururi so ukirora experience iyo irathi kugathwo ni andu 20 ja wa bururi na ithu twiteagira o Kibet Amos Wanjala athaki matangikinya 5 so I think ona hau ni turagire na platform njega ni turaigwo kwina muhuhu he irafu irageria ku secure signature ya some players so I think tugigia athaki ta 10 tuongere na aya atatu ri it will be a good iguko exposure njega muno
Shesheni hakuhe nawe.